to some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast, and this is about the Sabarimala gold theft. High Court order has come on Sabarimala gold theft. The court has directed stringent action to be taken. The court has asked final SIT report to be filed expeditiously. So the court has asked the SIT to expedite the investigation. Court has told SIT to file a final report. Next hearing will take place on the 20th of July. The SIT has alleged that the conspiracy began in 2019. Let's go across to Arpita, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. And Arpita, you can take us through the order, the important bit of it.
Well, today afternoon was when SIT had given a report to Kerala High Court. Kerala High Court had asked SIT to file the report as soon as possible because the investigation has been going since last 7 months, and now the High Court has come up with order. It has clearly, in the order, it has clearly said that as per SIT's investigation, the originally Dwarapalga idols, gold-plated idol, was given in the year 1998, and it was transported to Chennai in the year 2019 as per request of Unnikrishnan Potti, who is the sponsor, who is also the first accused in this case. And in 2019, as per Unnikrishnan Potti, it was sent to Chennai. From there, they had removed the gold plates, and it was given with copper plates. So this was done in the year 2019. The SIT also mentions that earlier in the SIT report, former Devasam Board President Prashant was not mentioned, but now in today's report, SIT has clearly mentioned the involvement of former Devasam Board President Prashant. He recently had retired from Devasam Board's President post. This also comes because SIT has mentioned in 2025, when this entire scene came out, where it was noted the High Court had mentioned that gold plates, Dwarapalga idols were removed, and it was exchanged with copper plates. Then Devasam Board President Prashant had said that he did not know, he was not aware of what was happened, but now the SIT has said that all of this has happened with his knowledge, not just him. Other board members were also knowing about what was happened, but none of them acted upon it. Along with Unnikrishnan Potti, deliberately they have done it. All of them were aware that
some
gold
board
plates
members,
were
instead of taking action, colluded. They colluded with Mr. Potti. That is also one of the points that has been mentioned. Arpita, thank you for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.